Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create a watermark using CapCut. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your CapCut app. Then just go ahead and click on the text option. Now just go ahead and edit your text. Put any text that you want, your channel's name or your any name or title that you want for your watermark. And now you can also change the font of it. I love using Arial Black. And in this video, I'm just gonna choose the color black for my text so that you can see it. And now the last thing I want you to do is to change the opacity percentage. So I want you to bring it down until 50%. Okay, you can move it anywhere. So I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, so this represents your watermark. So when you try to play your video, you can see that here. And also I want you to do is to change the duration of it until the last part of your video. Okay, so that's it. That is how you create a watermark on CapCut using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.